I'm going to do a more in-depth video on welding, but we'll go ahead and do a little bit of it right here. So I'm applying the primer right now, and I'm applying it not just to get it purple and move on. I want it to be even and all the way around and across all surfaces. When I go to apply the adhesive, or the glue as it's better known as, I'm going to apply this until I feel a sticky feeling, like the solvent is drying. This blue solvent you see me using can be used on pipe sizes of 1/2 inch all the way up to 4 inch. And that is because 4-inch pipe isn't large enough to cause the glue to dry out. As you can see there, we got it in. Now we do want to wipe away the extra solvents because those extra solvents can chew through the pipe. It is their job to weld the pipes together, and if you leave the solvent on the pipe, it'll eventually chew through the pipe. I'll get some of this glue off my fingers. I usually use gloves when I'm doing this. I would highly advise doing that. As you can see, I took them off. Never put some new ones on. Now that we got that on there, we're going to want to get the burrs off of this pipe, because when I go to put the next fitting on, I don't need these burrs cutting into the inside of this fitting here, the socket of this fitting. We're going to do the same process with the primer and the solvent glue, and then we're going to place this check valve on here. Looks like I'll be doing that welding video really soon.
3, 2, 1.